Namaste, welcome to Geeta's Kitchen. Today we will see how to make a mixed vegetable sabji using an air fryer in a very easy method. Winter time we get lots of fresh vegetables, so let's see how to make it. In a bowl, just take 1 tablespoon of oil. This we'll add some turmeric powder, chili powder, salt, some hing, and this is some garam masala powder. Mix all these spices well in the oil. Next, add in all the vegetables one by one. These are some fresh green peas, cauliflower which I washed and cut into small florets, carrot also washed, peeled and chopped. This is potato, 1 potato I have peeled and cut into small pieces. I have some frozen corn. If you have fresh corn, you can use that too. You can use any vegetables of your choice, but this will make it quite colorful. Mix all this well together so that all the vegetables get coated evenly with the salt and other spices too. Preheat it at 190 degrees for 5 minutes. Our air fryer is preheated and ready now. I will just brush the basket with a little bit of oil. Next, layer in these vegetables. Don't stack it too much. If you have more vegetables, make it in 2 batches. Now I have just layered it out like this. Now we'll put it back into the air fryer and again keep it at 190 now, and we'll cook it for 10 minutes. Now it is 10 minutes. It is about 80% done. Just give it a good mix once again. Layer it out. Finally, this is kasuri methi, which is dried methi leaves, fenugreek leaves. Just crush them in your palm and add it. It will give a lovely flavor to your sabji. Again, we will put it back in the air fryer. Keep it at the same temperature, 190. And this time, we will cook it for 5 minutes. Now let's check our vegetables. Wow. Perfectly done, nicely roasted. See, I can show you one potato. You can check if it is done. See, done so well. And the cauliflower has also become crispy. Now transfer it into our serving bowl. Finally, just add a few fresh coriander leaves on top. Your healthy, nutritious mixed vegetable sabji made in an air fryer is now ready. So while the vegetables were being cooked in the air fryer, I quickly made 2 chapatis so that we can serve this out for lunch or dinner. See, very lovely tasty vegetables along with chapati. You can even pair this off with some plain rice and dal too. the lovely taste of the roasted potatoes, crunchy cauliflower and crispy carrots and with potatoes, made with just 1 spoon of oil which we used in the beginning, and totally hands free. So once I've put it in the air fryer, I could just concentrate on making my chapatis. I will give you the link to this Solara air fryer in the description box, so that those of you who are interested can buy it for yourself using the coupon code Geeta. Definitely try out this recipe, share it with your family and friends, and we'll meet again with another interesting episode from Geeta's Kitchen. Thank you.